안녕하세요. 한빛드론입니다. 전국민 1인 1 유튜버 시대에 아마추어부터 프로까지 모든 촬영자들에게 사랑받아온 짐벌계의 명품 RS 시리즈의 신작이 드디어 출시되었습니다. 새롭게 추가된 자동축 잠금 장치를 탑재하여 촬영 효율성을 극대화시켜주고 짐벌의 모드 스위치는 촬영 중 모드 간에 빠르게 전환이 가능하게 만들어줍니다. 새로운 UI가 포함된 1.8인치 OLED 터치스크린은 로닌 앱의 거의 모든 설정을 지원하며 개편된 사용자 인터페이스로 직관적이고 정교한 제어를 제공합니다. 차세대 안정화 알고리즘 탑재 덕분에 RS3는 RSC2보다 안정성이 20% 향상되어 어떤 상황에서든지 안정적인 촬영이 가능합니다. 말만 들어도 정말 새롭지 않나요? 바로 이어서 DJI 공식 영상 시청하시고 영상 마지막에 구매 꿀팁 나갑니다. 채널 고정!
Creators are always looking for more reliable ways to capture images and ensure workflow efficiency. Introducing DJI RS3, a powerful tool with even the smallest details designed to maximize the solo shooting experience. When filming sports, such as a triathlon, every moment counts. We built DJI RS3 with that in mind. RS3 features a dual-layer camera mounting plate and a newly added fine-tuning knob, ensuring faster and easier balancing. With a new automated axis lock design, the gimbal can be automatically locked or unlocked in seconds, allowing you to start shooting immediately. Integrated Bluetooth camera control eliminates the need for a shutter cable. Just press the record button on RS3 to start shooting. A bright 1.8-inch OLED touchscreen enables users to set and adjust parameters or perform other operations with speed and convenience. RS3's gimbal mode switch allows you to switch between various follow modes quickly, so you can stay in the moment and focus on the shot. The next generation focus motor can be installed in just one simple step. Combined with the front dial, you can now control focusing precisely, even during single-handed operation. An ultra-convenient design improves the efficiency of transportation and storage. Even when conditions are harsh, like in low-temperature environments, DJI RS3's professional stabilization can still provide the same level of reliable performance. A light and compact design empowers RS3 to handle tested payloads up to 3 kilograms, making it compatible with various mirrorless camera and lens combinations. Our third-generation stabilization algorithm keeps shots up to 20% more smooth. And the most strenuous movements can be stabilized with Super Smooth, letting you capture ultra-steady footage even with telephoto lenses. The DJI Ronin image transmitter enables powerful remote viewing and control, supporting parameter adjustments and even the motion control function. Our redesigned briefcase handle makes low-angle shots and transitions effortless. The DJI RS3 battery features a 12-hour max life and a quick-release design, giving you secure mounting and faster swaps. With every detail optimized for a seamless and efficient shooting experience, creators can spend more time focused on creation itself. DJI RS3 is ready when you are.
영상 어떠셨나요? RS3 시리즈와 함께라면 누구나 촬영 감독 도전 가능합니다. 이어서 구매 꿀팁 나갑니다. 집중하세요. DJI RS3 구매는 한빛드론에서 하시는 게 답이에요. 다음에 또 만나요.